someone here to see you? It's the Easter Bunny! Nicholas, come on in, Easter Bunny! Do you want to give the Easter Bunny hugs? Oh! Nicholas, the Easter Bunny! High five! High five! Give you a high five? Oh, that's such a special surprise, isn't it, Nicholas? Yes, it is. My goodness. Nicholas, should we get some pictures with the Easter Bunny? Yeah? Okay, let's go get the camera. You want to sit with the Easter Bunny on the couch? Yes? Okay. Oh, Easter Bunny, thank you so much. Oh, my cuteness. Okay, ready? Let's take a picture. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we'll take a couple more. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Nicholas, that's so cute. One more. Nicholas. Oh, that's so fun. Maybe we should get one outside, too. I think the Easter Bunny might have brought... There's 2 little things on the front porch that I think the Easter Bunny might have brought for you. We'll have to go see. Nicholas, let's come up to the front porch. Those are little chocolate bunnies.
Yeah, that's a picture of the Easter Bunny.
Nicholas, I see 2 eggs out here.
Oh, that made me cry.
Are those from the Easter Bunny? Well, we're going to be getting lots of treats throughout the day, aren't we? Let's come outside and get some pictures.
Uh-oh. Poor Easter Bunny.
Okay, let's see. Oh, this is such a fun surprise. Okay, Nicholas, maybe you and the Easter Bunny could come right over here. We don't want to get the Easter Bunny's feet all dirty, though. Okay. Okay. Hey, Nicholas, can you and the Easter Bunny go together? Go next to the Easter Bunny. Let's get some pictures. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Nicholas, look at Mama. The Easter Bunny. Oh, you guys are so cute. I can't even stand it. Here, let me put your hat down a little bit.
Nicholas, where's the Easter Bunny's ears?
You want to take here? I'm gonna get a little bit in front of the tree. Okay. Ready, Nicholas? 1, 2. Nicholas, look at Mama. 1. Nick. Say thank you, Mr. Bunny. Yes. 1, 2. Nick, can you put the eggs down? Thank you. Oh, this is. Did you give the Easter Bunny a big hug and a big kiss?
Katie, do you want one of you and Eric in there?
Yeah, maybe one of the 3 of us.
Would you do that because you're better at taking pictures?
Maybe we'll get one of all 3 of us.
Really?
Oh, the Easter Bunny's got